58.
58.
58.
Les parties du corps.
Parts of the body.
Parts of the body.
Je dessine un homme.
I am drawing a man.
I am drawing a man.
D'abord, la tête.
First the head.
First, the head.
L'homme porte un chapeau.
The man is wearing a hat.
The man is wearing a hat.
On ne voit pas les cheveux.
One cannot see the hair.
One cannot see the hair.
On ne voit pas non plus les oreilles.
One cannot see the ears either.
One cannot see the ears either.
On ne voit pas non plus le dos.
One cannot see his back either.
One cannot see his back either.
Je dessine les yeux et la bouche.
I'm drawing the eyes and the mouth.
I am drawing the eyes and the mouth.
L'homme danse et rit.
The man is dancing and laughing.
The man is dancing and laughing.
L'homme a un long nez.
The man has a long nose.
The man has a long nose.
Il porte une canne dans ses mains.
He is carrying a cane in his hand.
He is carrying a cane in his hands.
Il porte également une écharpe autour du cou.
He is also wearing a scarf around his neck.
He is also wearing a scarf around his neck.
C'est l'hiver et il fait froid.
It is winter and it is cold.
It is winter and it is cold.
Les bras sont musclés.
The arms are athletic.
The arms are athletic.
Les jambes sont également musclées.
The legs are also athletic.
The legs are also athletic.
C'est un homme fait de neige.
The man is made of snow.
The man is made of snow.
Il ne porte ni pantalon ni manteau.
He is neither wearing pants nor a coat.
He is neither wearing pants nor a coat.
Mais cet homme n'a pas froid.
But the man is not freezing.
But the man is not freezing.
C'est un bonhomme de neige.
He is a snowman.
He is a snowman.